Imagine this. You're out in the wild, far away from home, and suddenly you realize your safety depends only on what you've packed. No electricity, no signal, and no backup. What do you rely on? That's where survival gadgets step in. Today, we're counting down 30 viral Amazon survival gadgets. For 2025, that could mean the difference between survival and disaster. Some of these are brilliantly simple, while others are high-tech innovations. And trust us, the final gadget on this list is absolutely next level, something you won't believe exists. Stick with me till the end, because you don't want to miss it. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 30. Hero 2020 Non-Lethal Defense System. This compact self-defense device may look small, but it packs serious stopping power. Instead of bullets, it fires PAVA rounds, pepper-based gas strong enough to halt an attacker in their tracks. With 2 quick shots ready, it gives you the confidence to act instantly. The built-in 600 lumen stun light and laser sight activate automatically when the safety is off, helping you aim perfectly, even in the dark. Measuring under 6 inches and weighing only 7 ounces. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and even award-winning. In short, it's not just a gadget, it's peace of mind you can carry in your pocket. At number 29, Sharpal 6-in-1 Survival Tool. Tiny but mighty, this gadget is more than just a knife sharpener. It comes with coarse carbide slots to revive dull blades, ceramic slots for a razor-sharp finish, and a diamond rod for serrated knives and fish hooks. But here's where it gets clever. Hidden inside is a fire starter and an emergency whistle, making it a mini survival kit on its own. Just 3.5 inches long and weighing under 2 ounces, it clips easily to your backpack without weighing you down. Whether you're camping, fishing, or just love being prepared, this pocket-sized tool could be a lifesaver. At number 28, Kanga Tridium Lensatic Compass. Imagine your phone dies, GPS signal drops, and you're lost in the wilderness. That's when the Kanga Tridium Lensatic Compass became priceless. Built to military standards, it shrugs off rain, mud, and freezing cold. Thanks to Tridium illumination, it glows in complete darkness without any batteries, guiding you safely day or night. Rugged and waterproof, it's designed to work where technology fails. In survival, navigation is everything, and this compass might just be your ticket back to safety. At number 27, Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife. A survival knife isn't just another tool, it's your right hand in the wild. The Mossy Oak hunting knife is forged from stainless steel, making it durable and rust-resistant. Its textured rubber handle ensures a solid grip, even in wet or muddy conditions. The knife comes with a sheath, a fire starter, and even a mini sharpener, so you're always ready for action. From building a shelter to preparing food, this knife is versatile enough to handle any task. Strong, reliable, and built for real-world survival, it's a must-have for any adventurer. At number 26, GetX Go Emergency Preparedness Kit. Emergencies don't wait, and neither should you. The GetX Go Emergency Kit packs everything you need in a single fire-resistant, waterproof case. Inside, you'll find first aid essentials, gloves, an emergency blanket, poncho, food rations, and even a solar-powered charger and hand-crank radio. It's like having a complete survival station in one grab-and-go box. Whether you're at home, on the road, or out camping, this kit takes the guesswork out of being prepared. When disaster strikes, you'll be ready. At number 25, Jetboil Minimo Cooking System. In survival, warm food isn't just fuel, it's comfort, energy, and morale. The Jetboil Minimo is a compact cooking system that boils water or heats meals in minutes while using very little fuel. Lightweight and designed for portability, it's perfect for hikers, campers, or anyone building an emergency kit. Imagine making hot soup or coffee when everything around you feels cold and bleak. That's the power this little stove gives you. Reliable, fast, and efficient, it ensures you'll never be left in the cold. At number 24, Rexbetty Folding Saw. When it's time to build a shelter or gather firewood, a dependable saw makes life easier. The Rexbetty Folding Saw is razor sharp, cutting through branches and logs quickly and smoothly. Its ergonomic handle gives you a strong, steady grip, while the folding design keeps it safe and easy to carry in your backpack. Lightweight yet durable. It's built to withstand rugged outdoor use. For camping, bushcraft, or survival, this saw earns its place in your gear every single time. At number 23, Survival Shelter. Shelter is survival rule number 1, and this compact survival tent proves why. Made from waterproof, wind-resistant material with reinforced seams, it shields you from harsh conditions when you need it most. Setup is quick and secure thanks to strong grommets and ropes, keeping you safe even in stormy weather. Despite its durability, it's lightweight and packs down small enough to slip into your bag. Whether you're backpacking, hiking, or preparing for emergencies, this portable shelter could be your lifesaver against the elements. At number 22, Emergency Flares Kit. Being seen can mean the difference between rescue and disaster. The Emergency Flares Kit includes powerful LED flares with 3 modes: SOS, strobe, flashlight, and solid light. They stick magnetically to your car or stand on their detachable base, shining bright day or night. Packed neatly in a rugged storage case, they're ready whenever you need them. From roadside breakdowns to survival situations, these flares make sure help can always find you. At number 21, Maxpedition Gyrfalcon Backpack. Your backpack is the backbone of your survival setup, and the Maxpedition Gyrfalcon is built for the job. With 36 liters of storage, hydration sleeve, and multiple compartments, it keeps your gear perfectly organized. Its detachable lower pouch doubles as a waist pack for extra flexibility. Made from water-resistant ballistic nylon with padded straps, it's designed for all-day comfort in the toughest conditions. Rugged, modular, and highly reliable, this backpack is ready to carry you through the wild. And we're only just getting started, because later on, one of these gadgets has a hidden function that could completely change the way you prepare for emergencies. Don't miss it. At number 20, Tinder Fire Starter Kit. Fire is life, warmth, cooking, and protection, all rolled into one. The Tinder Fire Starter Kit packs 5 survival essentials into a single waterproof tin. It includes a ferro rod that sparks at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, a dual-handed striker, hemp wick that burns for up to an hour, and easy light birch kindling. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it slips right into your bag without taking space. Whether you're camping, hiking, or in a real emergency, this kit makes sure you'll never be left in the cold. At number 19, 16-in-1 multi-tool. Why carry a whole toolbox when one gadget can do it all? The 16-in-1 multi-tool is stacked with survival gear, including an axe, hammer, pliers, saw, screwdrivers, whistle, and more. Built from stainless steel with a tough nylon sheath, it's strong, reliable, and always ready. Compact enough to slip into your backpack, yet versatile enough for camping, fishing, or emergencies, it's basically a Swiss Army knife on steroids. One tool, endless uses. At number 18, Dbatu Fireproof Cloak. Most people underestimate fire until it's too late. The Dbatu Fireproof Cloak is designed to give you life-saving protection in an emergency. Made with fiberglass and silicone coating, it can withstand up to 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's large enough to fully cover an adult and doubles as a fire blanket when needed. The bright orange color and reflective strips make you visible in smoke-filled chaos. Foldable and easy to store, this is one of those tools you hope you never need. But you'll be glad you have. At number 17, 4. Patriot Sun Kettle. Hot water without fire or fuel? Yes, please. The 4P Patriot Sun Kettle harnesses pure sunlight to boil water in under an hour. With its 16.9-ounce capacity, it's perfect for making coffee, cooking meals, or sanitizing water during emergencies. No smoke, no fuel, no hassle. Just unfold it, face it towards the sun, and let nature do the work. Compact and durable, this solar-powered kettle is a true survival game-changer. At number 16, MSR Evo Trail Snowshoes. Winter survival is brutal without the right gear. The MSR Evo Trail Snowshoes keep you moving even in deep snow. Built with steel crampons for serious grip and a rugged deck for uneven terrain, they're made for stability. The Paraglide bindings fit almost any boots, even when you've got gloves on. Weighing under 4 pounds, they're light yet tough enough for harsh trails. With these snowshoes, you're not just surviving the cold, you're conquering it. At number 15, hand crank weather emergency radio. When the power's out, staying informed can be the difference between life and death. The hand crank weather emergency radio gives you multiple lifelines in one. It runs on solar, crank, USB, or battery power, and delivers NOAA storm alerts, an SOS alarm, flashlight, and even works as a phone charger. With a massive 14,800 megawatt-hours battery, it can outlast most emergencies, rugged and compact. This is one device every prepper should have in their kit. At number 14, Survivor Filter. Out in the wild, water is everywhere, but safe water is rare. The Survivor Filter makes sure you never go thirsty. This ultra-portable straw filter removes 99% of bacteria, viruses, and protozoa from natural water sources. At just 3.5 ounces, it's feather light but powerful enough to last through 100,000 liters of filtration. Hiking, camping, or emergency prepping, this is one gadget that turns streams and lakes into instant drinking water. At number 13, SABRE Frontiersman Max Bear Spray. Venturing into bear country, this is your peace of mind. The SABRE Frontiersman Max Bear Spray blasts up to 40 feet with the strongest legal formula, 2.0% capsaicinoids, powerful enough to stop even charging grizzlies. It comes with a glow-in-the-dark safety clip and quick-draw holster for when seconds matter. Lightweight, proven, and trusted by experts, this spray is one of those survival tools you pray you'll never need, but can save your life if you do. At number 12, Motion Detector. Alarm keeping your camp secure just got easier. The Motion Detector alarm uses infrared sensors with a 100-degree detection range up to 4 meters. As soon as it senses movement, it triggers a loud siren and flashing lights, perfect for scaring off intruders, wild animals, or thieves. Waterproof, portable, and even able to send alerts to your smartwatch, it's like carrying a portable security guard. Hang it near your tent or clip it to your backpack for peace of mind anywhere. At number 11, 9, KMDW Life Kevlar Cord. Strong rope is a survival must, but Kevlar cord is on another level. The 9 KMDW Life Kevlar cord is fire-resistant, UV-resistant, and nearly impossible to snap. Use it to set traps, tie down gear, or even cut through wood as a makeshift saw. Unlike regular rope, it won't fray, stretch, or weaken over time. Lightweight but insanely strong, this cord is one of those small tools that can make a massive difference in survival situations. But that's not all. Stay tuned, because we'll be revealing a deceptively simple gadget that conceals a multitude of life-saving survival functions. This is one you absolutely won't want to miss. At number 10, emergency blankets. When survival is on the line, warmth is everything. These emergency blankets are designed to retain up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you alive in freezing conditions. Each pack includes 6 oversized Mylar thermal blankets, measuring 82 inches by 52 inches, so you get complete coverage. They're windproof, waterproof, and tear-resistant, yet lightweight enough to slip into your backpack, glove box, or pocket. Whether you're camping, hiking, or building an emergency kit, these blankets make sure you're never left out in the cold. A simple but life-saving essential. At number 9, Rhino Rescue First Aid Splint. Accidents don't wait for the right moment, and that's where this splint saves the day. The Rhino Rescue First Aid Splint provides strong yet flexible support for broken or sprained limbs. Made with aluminum alloy and soft foam, it can be cut, shaped, and reused for different injuries. Waterproof, X-ray transparent, and easy to disinfect, it's designed for real emergencies in the outdoors or at home. Small enough to carry in any medical kit, it ensures you're ready when injuries strike unexpectedly. a must-have for any serious survivalist. At number 8, ANNU Waterproof Rain Poncho. Getting drenched in a storm can turn dangerous fast, but this poncho keeps you safe and dry. The ANNU Waterproof Rain Poncho is made with tough polyester and TPU coating, making it 100% waterproof and breathable at the same time. It's designed to cover not just you, but your backpack too, protecting your gear. Lightweight and foldable, it packs down small, but unfolds into a full-body shield against heavy rain. Ideal for camping, hiking, or emergencies, this poncho is your first line of defense against unpredictable weather. At number 7, by J Work, Light. Flashlight. This isn't just a flashlight, it's a survival powerhouse on your keychain. The by J Cobb Work Light blasts up to 1,600 lumens across 7 modes, bright enough for any emergency. But it doesn't stop there. It's also an electric lighter, a seatbelt cutter, a whistle, and even a screwdriver, waterproof and rechargeable. It's built tough for the outdoors, whether you're stranded roadside, hiking through the dark, or just need an all-in-one tool. This little gadget delivers big security. At number 6, upgraded credit card tool multi-tool. Sometimes the best survival tool is the one that fits in your wallet. This upgraded credit card multi-tool transforms into 18 handy functions, from screwdrivers and bottle openers to a compass and mini blades. Despite its slim design, it's built from durable steel, making it a reliable backup in emergencies. Campers, hikers, and travelers love it because it's so discreet yet practical. Slip it in your wallet and you'll never leave home unprepared again. At number 5, Tactical Walking Stick Staff. When stability, power, and protection meet, you get this beast of a walking stick. The Tactical Walking Stick doubles as a 12,000-volt stun gun, giving you self-defense in seconds. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's strong, adjustable, and tough enough for extreme survival situations. It also features a dual-mode flashlight, USB charging, and even solar recharging capability, whether you're hiking rugged trails or navigating city streets. This stick is both a reliable support and a life-saving weapon. At number 4, Sodoride 2-in-1 Car Window Breaker. Car emergencies happen in the blink of an eye, and this tool is made for that moment. The Sodoride 2-in-1 combines a tungsten steel glass breaker with a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter so you can escape quickly. It even has a built-in flashlight with strobe and steady modes for signaling. Small enough to keep on your keychain. It's always within reach when seconds matter. A compact gadget with the power to save lives. At number 3, Titan Survivor Cord Bracelet. Survival wrapped around your wrist. That's what this bracelet offers. Made with patented Survivor cord, it includes 550-pound paracord, fishing line, snare wire, and fire-starting jute. It looks stylish, but packs serious survival gear into a lightweight design. In an emergency, you can unravel it to build shelter, catch food, or start a fire. Always with you, always ready. This bracelet is more than an accessory. It's a lifeline. At number 2, Jukmo Stretch Tactical Belt. Not all belts are created equal, and this one proves it. The Jukmo Stretch Tactical Belt is built from high-quality elastic nylon, giving you strength and flexibility for any activity. Its quick-release buckle lets you clip and unclip instantly, even with one hand. Strong enough for tactical use, but comfortable enough for daily wear, it's built to last. From hiking adventures to military readiness, this belt won't let you down. And finally, at the top of our list, the ultimate survival gadget. At number 1, Taser 10 Axon Professional Personal Defense Kit. The Taser 10 Axon is trusted by professionals worldwide, giving you real self-defense power in critical moments. With dual cartridges for rapid shots, a 12-foot firing range, and pinpoint accuracy, it puts protection in your hands. It comes with a rugged case, a rechargeable battery, and even a practice target, so you're always prepared. Compact, powerful, and reliable. This is personal safety redefined. And there you have it, the top 30 viral survival gadgets you can grab right now on Amazon. From compact tools to professional defense gear, each one is designed to give you confidence in the unexpected. Which gadget would you add to your kit first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, the links to all these products are in the description.